morning. It is Thursday. All right, we're going to start the day back at that driveway that had the broke down van in the driveway and all that. They're going to leave the van in the driveway and we're going to go ahead and get it cleaned up. Then we got a mobile home on a corner lot, and then we have another mobile home to do after that, and then another driveway. So it's a 4-job day today. And Friday we got a couple nice sized tickets to end the week. I am taking the weekend off. Got some stuff to do around here. Gonna be doing some moto vlog stuff. Don's Moto Vlog Garage. Gonna be explaining what to pack when you go on a trip and all that jazz when you're on a motorcycle ride. Anyway, let's get after it. All right, here we are. There's the van in question. Anyway, and it's a big corner lot, like I said the other day. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get it cleaned up. We're just going to take the mini Mondu and we're going to head and get after it. Shouldn't take that long to get this done. So let's get started. Let's have a look. Got everything cleaned up nice around here. Look at that. It looks like they moved the van and they put the van back. I reached as far as I could under there to disguise the delusion. All right, let's get after it. Okay, here we are, job number 2 for the day. Now you can see the dirt on the side of this mobile home here. See all that dirt? See that? It's all going to come off. The ceiling's discolored. Got brown stuff all over there. This is the north side. It's not too bad. Just got mold at the very top. We're not going to be going in the screen room. We're going to be coming around the back here. Okay, so the layout of the job is we're going to start down there in the porch, then we're going to come all the way down to here as far as I can take it down the side, then we're going to rinse our way back around, finish what's left over there, do the sidewalk from here. You see where it was cleaned here, from here all the way down. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a quick look. All right, we're done all the way. Got all these steps down here. Little slabs. We made it all the way past. You can see where it's wet and where it's not. 1, 2, 3, the 4th window, just a little bit past there. So we got to do the very front and the that little bit of the side there. Rinse that off, and then we got to get this sidewalk. And we will come all the way back down here. Well, actually we won't. We'll start on this side over here by the van. And then we'll wash all the way down the block. Then we'll rinse it all the way back. And we'll be done. All right, let's get after the rest of this puppy. Shall we? Get after it. All right, it's coming along. We're almost done. We're done up to here. We just got to rinse all this off. The whole home is done. The driveway's done. Right up to here. All right. So what we're gonna do? Mini Mondu right on down the road there. Rinse it all the way back, which will be satisfying. Let's get after it. Let's take a look. Look how nice and clean that sidewalk looks. Place is really clean. Came out nice. Got the car rinsed off. Let's look at this inside here real quick. See all that dirt? Dirt's gone. Everything came out really good. All right. All right, we got another one to do in here. That's right, I'm king of the mobile home park here at Brentwood Estates. Just picked up a couple more. My buddy stopped by and talked to me. And a couple more referrals. Let's get after it. All right, hey, here we are, job number 3. Look at all this black stuff on the cement here. All right, this mobile home's got the typical dirt. See that? It's got dirt all over the place. You got mold up there. All this mold on the ceiling. All this lattice needs to be cleaned up. We got mold down the side there. All right, the back isn't too bad. And the front's not too bad either. Got some mold around the side. Algae. Look at that. Not too bad. All right, vinyl windows. All right, SH is not going to hurt those. It's got to be real gentle. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to SH the whole back of the mobile home. We're going to come all the way down the side. We're going to get in here, do all this, go all the way down that side, rinse all the way back around so we can get the hose back on this side of the driveway. Then we'll get the cement done and we'll be out of here. All right. We'll start filming once we start coming down the side. Once we get inside here. All right, let's get after it. Okay, we got it done all the way, SH all the way around. We got some black stuff at the top up there, so we're going to take a wash and reach those areas up there. Then we're going to continue with the wrench. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a final look at this job here. The driveway came out really nice. We had mold all over this thing, and we got here. Ceiling was black. The siding was dirty. Everything's clean. This lattice on the outside was especially very moldy on the outside. Oh, it's nice and sparkly clean. Look at that. Looks great. Well, this is 3 jobs. I do believe it's before noon. I might as well just go do that last job I got and call it a day, right? Go to the bank. It's a little windy today. Maybe go for a motorcycle ride. We'll have to see. Hopefully my helmet came in and I can go to Barney's and pick that up. Get my moto vlog helmet done. All right, but this had mold all over it. The skirt was really dirty. It's about the best you can get the skirt. Once that stuff stains, it's all she wrote. Sidewalk looks really good. All right, ready to go. Ready for the holiday. I'm Don from Super Blast, and it's just that easy. Let's get after it. Okay, here we are, job number 4. Not too bad. It's a regular customer, but my 4th time out here. Sidewalk always gets nice and green. See that green tint? Get this all off of there. We're going to clean out this screen room in here for her. Get that cleaned up. And then there's a little pad down there in front of the door. We'll go ahead and get that cleaned up as well. Alright, and this is the last job of the day. I did those first 3 jobs and was home by 11:45 for lunch. Anyway, that's getting her done. All right, let's get after it. Let's take a quick look. Everything's all cleaned up. Just have to go off to the satisfying rooms. Woohoo. All this green stuff's gone. You see that green stuff in the cracks? Let's see, we might have to come back and spot treat, keep that mold out of here. Anyway, it's coming out good. All we gotta do now is rinse everything off. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And I'm gonna have to add 10 feet of hose on, wouldn't you know it, to get that spot back there rinsed off. Let's go back here and take a look at it. It's just got a mat mark on it. Isn't that always the way? 10 feet short. Yep, got to come back and rinse that off right there. See that little mark? All right, we'll shut her down. I got a 15-foot jumper. We'll just hook that up and we'll come on down and rinse it off. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Finished product. Came out really nice. Sidewalk came out good. This little room came out good. Cleaned all the screens and the windows. So everything is good to go. That little pad came out real nice down there. We don't need to walk through the grass and mud to prove it to you, right? Now this hose is going to reel right on in, but just in case I'm going to drag it over here. All right, well this came out really nice. With a pre-treat, that's all we needed to do. All right, that's going to wrap it up for Thursday. We got one more day, man. We got the weekend off. Hopefully I get that new Shoei helmet. No calls yet today. All right. Remember, get after it. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Ring the bell. Be notified of all the pressure washing madness here at Super Blast. Get after it.
A little bit of grease right here, so it looks like you have the perfect unibrow right now. Yeah, look into the camera. Look at the fucking unibrow.
See what happens when you're a dumbass and you let it run out of water? Or you have a unibrow? Man. It's going to cost me.
The middle one's the bad one.
Check your water pressure. That's a contractor tip.
It had white seals or does now?
I cavitated it.
Got the white seals.
And it
now.
hated it.
Teflon seals, we upgrade that bitch.
I make her more durable.
It's more durable.
See, got hot and dry seals now.
Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
Mr. American.
Get after it!